today. With these fine and enthusiastic morning to one and all present over here, I, Rashi of Standard 9 from Shiksha Bharati, presenting my speech on the topic when I become the Prime Minister of India. India is a land of immense resources and the opportunity, yet we still face many challenges on our path to become the global leader. If I will become the Prime Minister of India, I will ensure the basic necessity of the survival of every citizen. I will work for the country's inclusive growth and economic prosperity. I will reduce the gap between the rich and poor and ensure that the benefit of growth reach every corner of a society. As a Prime Minister, I will make the education accessible so that every person in my country has free and equal access to education by transforming our youth into the jobs creator rather than the job seekers. I will ensure that regardless of income, every citizen may have access to high quality and affordable health care. Infrastructure development is also vital for a country's growth. More focus should be placed on rural infrastructure by ensuring that our villages are well connected and having basic necessities. I will bring also changes in the agriculture sector because it is considered as the backbone of our economy.